Okay, now that you have the cross, you must get the corners. To get the corners, you gotta look for the corners. So, here's a corner, because, well, green and green. You gotta place each corner underneath the corresponding corner, meaning that it has to have the right colors. So, green, green, yellow, yellow, red, red. So you know that this corner belongs up here because it has the right colors. And now you're about to learn your first algorithm. To get this green side up here, you use R inverted, down inverted, right, down. You gotta repeat the algorithm until this green gets up here. So, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And eventually, the green piece will come on top. Now, to get the other three corners, gotta look for them. Here's one. Now this has green, yellow, and orange. So you gotta move it underneath the green, yellow, and orange corner. So it'll be right here. Because green, yellow, and orange. Green, yellow, orange. So you gotta do the algorithm again. It is R inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again, right 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 inverted, down inverted, right, down. And now you just brought that green piece up here. So you're like one half done. Last two corners. Here's one. Green, red, white. Green, red, white. So you do the same algorithm again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Hey, that was easy. One more. Here it is. Green, orange, and white. Bring it to the last corner, right here, and do the same algorithm. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Yeah, now you have one side completed. That means if you've done it correctly, you've solved the first layer of the Rubik's Cube.